Nakasakay na tayo kay Timothy. So first ginagawa natin, chine-check muna natin yung tire. Tapos nagche-check tayo ng paligid natin, yung front and back. Alam nyo na, pinapark natin yung sasakyan. Baka may mga emergency na hindi natin alam. So nakikita natin. So yan yung ginagawa natin routine pag mag-drive tayo tuwing umaga. So let's go. Punta na tayo sa office natin. So this is the view. Hindi naman siya medyo traffic kasi naka-stop lang kasi nasa stoplight signal tayo. Then go again to another stoplight. Pangalawang stoplight to. Then, going to my office is only 15 to 20 minutes. So, eto na tayo sa office. Okay. So, here we go mga ka-live. Nandito na tayo sa building. So, we're going now sa office, sa 3rd floor. So, ito yung building namin guys. Corridor. So, I'll be going to elevator. Okay. Ayan. So, nandito na tayo guys. So, we are here already at the office. Okay, reshoot. So, naka-fingerprints na, naka-open. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Comment down below kung umabot ka sa video ito. Work mode na tayo. Life Change OFW Journey. Visit my YouTube channel, Leonardo Pulintan, your host.